What's up, guys? It's your girl Hypnotic Lady, and I am back with another hair video for you guys today. Today the company I will be working with today is BEAHAIR. Right now I'm just showing you the boxing, what comes on the box and what comes inside. Next, I will be showing you what comes in the package. You will have your hair bag, which has the information about the wig, the website, and the code name, as you can see. Next, I'm going to show you is the white paper that comes inside of the wig, and then there is a brochure. This is the wig. As you can see, I've messed with it a little bit. I've already cut the lace, but it's super thick and super soft. Inside, it comes with 2 combs in the front, and then you have 2 combs in the back with adjustable straps. Now I'm just putting the wig on, adjusting it to my liking, just to see where I'm going to go from here. As you can see, the part looks very good. Again, I did not pluck or tweeze this unit at all. It came pre-plucked. The knots did not come bleached, but they were easily covered with just regular makeup. So as you can see, it has like a slight wave to it, and now I'm just going to show you how long it is on me for 18 inches. It comes down like past my boob, mid-waist. Now you're just going to take some Got To Be Glued. It doesn't matter whether it's the black or the yellow, and some freeze spray. I'm just going to take that and put that around the perimeter of my hairline and just make sure it's an even coat, and then use the blow dryer to make sure it's tacky. You know how this goes. Once blow drying, take a rat tail comb to help press down the lace. You want to refrain from using your fingers because it will smush your hair into the lace. So as you can see on the video, just comb through while you're blow drying at the same time, just to make sure your lace is melted into the Got To Be Glued freeze spray and gel. Now you want to take a concealer palette or some foundation palette and to go into the perimeter of your hairline with the powder just to blend everything out. I tend to use a shade that is a little lighter than my foundation just because your scalp is naturally lighter than the rest of your body. So yeah. Now you're going to take some freeze spray to lay down your baby hairs and take a hot comb. My hot comb is super hot, so please be careful. But as you can see, it's slicking everything down, making everything look sleek and natural. I love it. Now for styling, I'm just going to do a simple half up, half down ponytail. Really cute and quick. Once you take out a strand of hair to wrap around your hair bow, use some freeze spray and a rat tail comb to smooth everything out. The rat tail comb is just to get all the kinks and knots out while you're wrapping around, so you'll have a seamless hair bow or hair bow. Last but least, we're gonna curl with my Babyliss titanium straightener. And this is really not too much to explain. Just watch the video. I'm just gonna curl it going in a backwards motion, going up, pulling away from my face, and I'll just be doing that throughout the whole ponytail and then on the down at the bottom. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Super cute, looks super natural. And this is a no baby's hair look that I accomplished. And if you have like a little bit of residue, which is like a little shine right here, just take some alcohol with a cotton swab. Alright. And again, this is BEAHAIR's or BEAHAIR's. This is their 18-inch Kinky Straight 360 unit. And I just did some cute little curls with a half up, half down, no baby hair method. Really cute and quick. And again, you can get this at BEAHAIRS.com. There will be a discount code for you guys that will be listed in my description box, and also the direct link to this unit will also be in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you guys think, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.